Hello students, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So today I'll be teaching you a new topic from grammar, that is interjection. So let's get started. So what is interjection? An interjection is a word that expresses emotions and feelings. There are certain words which we say when we express our emotions and feelings. For example, when we have won something, we say hooray or yay. Similarly, when we are sad or when we lose something which is precious to us, we say oh no. So let us look at this example. So one boy says, hurrah, I have passed the exam. So he is very happy that he has passed the exam. So he is expressing it by saying hooray. And the other boy replies to him saying that wow, that's really great news. So he is expressing his feeling through this interjection wow. There are many interjections, out of which I have shown you all these interjections. So they are wow, hey, hooray, then wait, yippee, oh no, shucks, which means a gratified embarrassment. Okay, it means that when someone praises you and you blush, that time you say shucks. Then comes ouch, and then finally yay. Now let's look at these sentences where interjections are used. First sentence is, oh my, you lost a tooth, Jimmy. Second one, ouch, don't bite, Tommy. Third one, well, I don't plan on serving snack until later. Then comes number 4. Wow, someone did a very good job on her art project. Then comes the next one. Yikes, it looks like someone spilled the glue. And the last one. Wonderful, you picked up the toys without being asked. All the underlined words are interjections used with these sentences. So here are a few interjections with the images. I hope you have understood. So there are many types of interjection, but here they are listed 6 types of interjection. So first one is the interjection of greeting, the interjection of joy, the interjection of attention, the interjection of approval, then the interjection of surprise, and then the interjection of sorrow. Some of the types of interjection with examples are, first one, doubt. So when you are in doubt, you use the interjections like or Similarly, there are different types of interjections according to the feelings or emotions. For pity, you use these kind of interjections like dear, alas. Now we read it with the help of example and the feeling. So first one is interjection of greeting. So here someone is greeting. An example is, hello, I am Sarah. The second one is interjection for happiness. So example is, hurrah, I won the prize. Third one is interjection for sorrow or sadness. So example is, alas, his friend died. The next one is interjection for anger. An example is, what, I am a beggar. One is interjection for approval. An example is, great, you arrived in time. Next one is interjection for surprise. Wow, what a lovely scene. Second last one is interjection for attention. Listen, I'm starving. Last one is interjection for shock. What you have done? I hope by now you have understood the chapter interjection and how to use it according to the feeling or emotion. So here is one exercise that I want you all to do it and find out the answer. Those who can solve it, please write it down in the comment section below. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video till the end. I hope you all love the video. So definitely I'll be bringing up some more videos in the coming days. So till then, you'll subscribe my channel, like and comment, and see you soon in my next video.